This is a real test. A $300 robot vacuum against pet hair. No marketing. No brand promises. Just real floors. Cheap robot vacuums are supposed to struggle with pet hair. But do they really? Here's what usually goes wrong. Weak suction, hair tangling in the brush, and missed corners. In this test, we use carpet, hard floors, and heavy pet shedding. The results were surprising. It handled surface hair well, but deep carpet hair? That's where limits appear. So is a $300 robot vacuum enough for pet owners? Yes, if you know its limits. And no, if you expect premium performance. This is the real difference between cheap and expensive robot vacuums. If you want to check current prices and detailed reviews, I've linked all of them in the description below. Buy smart and save your money.